Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to change brick wall texture. So for example, I will create walls in it and you can go into the 3D view perspective. Like example, I will change for the exterior from this wall. You can double click on the wall to be sure for the wall specification. And if you want to change into the brick texture, you can go to materials, click on the exterior wall texture, and click select material. So this is for the default materials. Now you can choose these options, brick metal brush, and then I will click copy option. After it, click on the texture, and then I will import into the brick texture. I will use this texture, click open, to be automatically changed. You can check in here to set for the aspect ratio, or you can use this option to stretch to fit into the objects. This is for patterns and the names in this option. Click OK to apply, click OK again, and then click OK. So to be changed into brick wall texture. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to brick wall texture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.